Hi, in this video we will factor trinomials by grouping, and I will show you two examples here. The first one is 5x squared minus 17x plus 6. So the first step is going to multiply the leading coefficient to the constant at the end. So we have 5 times 6, which is 30. And we're going to break down the 30. We have 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and we try to match the number in the middle, which is negative 17. So minus 2 minus 15 should work. So we have 5x squared minus 2x minus 15x plus 6. We replace negative 7x by negative 2x and minus 15x. And we're going to break down into two groups. And from the first group, we pull out the common factor x. We have 5x minus 2. In the second group, we're going to pull out the common factor minus 3. And we have 5x minus 2. Minus 3 times 5 is minus 15x. Minus 3 times minus 2 is positive 6. And now we can see that we had common factor of 5x minus 2. We're going to pull that out. We're going to pull that out. And what is leaving behind will be x minus 3. And we are done. Let's do one more example here. All right. We have 12x squared minus x minus 6. The first step is you're going to multiply the leading coefficient to the number at the end. So 12 times 6 is 72. We're going to break down the 72. We have 1 times 72, and 2 times 36, 3 times 12, 4 times 18. We try to match minus 1 here. And 6 times 12. And 8 times 9. 8 and 9 will work. So we will add positive 8 and minus 9. And that should work. So we will have 12x squared plus ax and minus 9x minus 6. We write minus 1x into positive ax and minus 9x. And now we have two groups here. Well, in the first group, we're going to pull out the common factor 4x. And we have 3x plus 2. And in the second group, we're going to pull out the common factor minus 3. So we have 3x plus 2 as well. Minus 3 times 2x minus x. Minus 9x minus 3 times positive 2 will give you minus 6. And now we're going to pull out the common factor 3x plus 2 and put that in the front. And what is leaving behind would be 4x minus 3. And we are done. And that is the method by grouping. And now let's take a minute to see why this method worked. Let's say we had ax squared plus bx plus c. We want to factor this trinomial, so we multiply the leading coefficient to the number at the end, and we will have a times c, which is another number. A times c, let's say, equals to q, and we're going to break down q into two factors, p times q, in such a way that p plus q, the sum of these two numbers, will give you the coefficient for x, p plus q equals to p. And now we're going to make substitution here. We have ax squared plus bx, but b is just p plus q times x plus c. But what is c? We have a times c equals to p times q. So c equals to pq divided by a. So we just replace C by P times Q divided by A. And now what do we get? We had AX squared plus PX, distribute and distribute, PX plus QX plus P times Q divided by A. All right. And now what do we get? We're going to pull out, we're going to make two groups here. In the first group, we're going to pull out AX. Once you pull out AX, you have X plus P over A. AX times P over A will give you PX. In the second group, we're going to just pull out the common factor Q, so you had X plus P over A. The Q goes out, so you had X plus P over A. And we can see the common factor here, X plus P over A. This going out, and you have AX plus Q leaving behind. And that is the reason why this method works. All right, and I think we are done here. And thank you for watching.